In this video, I am showing you another rare piece of software for the MSX1 computer. It is a spreadsheet application named KUMA-Spreadsheet. This software was distributed mainly on cassette, because that was the media type the MSX1 users used at the time. Floppy drives for the MSX1 were rare and expensive at the time. The disadvantage of the cassette was clearly its very slow speed. It took ages to load a program and saving data wasn't any faster. I was very surprised to stumble across an official disk version of KUMA-Spreadsheet. I never knew that a floppy disk version of this program even existed. Here's a short demonstration for a tax calculation. You enter the gross income, the allowance, and the tax rate. The application will then calculate the taxable income, the payable taxes, and the net income. Please notice that after changing any value in the sheet, a recalculation has to be forced by pressing Enter for every formula used in the sheet. You can see this, when the gross income amount gets changed, that each value which is calculated by a formula is only updated after the Enter key was pressed.